Hello, welcome back to Mill Creek Range. Just a little tip. What I do after I finish shooting black powder cartridges, I take and I put the cartridge down inside of either a gallon milk jug or maybe in a 20-ounce water bottle, depending on how many I shot that day. And water. I put my spent cartridges inside of the jug, and then when I get all of my cartridges in, loaded up in here, don't like much more to go, just gotta ring the hole. A few more, one more. Then I take a little bit of Dawn dishwashing detergent, put that in there with it, then put the cap on, then give it a good shake. That kind of neutralizes the powder residue. If you just let them sit, the cases are going to turn. They're going to corrode really bad. So I do this, and then I'll just let them sit inside of the water until I'm ready to de-eke out, and then put them inside of my tumblers back here to wet tumble clean before I start sizing and loading. So, see how dirty that water just turns black, and yeah, does a great job. I've been doing that for years and never a problem. So, with that, keep your powder dry, and we'll see you on down the trail.